Hello everyone, so what we're going to do in this one is try install Docker engine. So I just sort of put a new whole Linux thing. I just wiped something happened with my Linux and I had to put a new Linux on, and now I don't have Docker. So I'm going to install Docker. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go through the instructions for Ubuntu and we're just going to try our best. So hopefully this will help everyone, because sometimes these things can be tricky. So what we're going to do, we'll just do our best. So I think maybe I can zoom in on this terminal. Hopefully, can I? That looks good. That's looking promising. Cool. So we haven't got anything that would conflict. I hope not. Anyway, let's just go down here. So this is all the stuff we got to do. We got to do all this. Now so we got to do that. What is the best way to organize my screens? I reckon I should have a team. I should probably install Tmux as well. Love Tmux. So sudo apt. Can you just go update? Or do you have to go apt get update? I think it's okay. Yep, so we're just following these instructions here. Nothing crazy. Just exactly what's on the site. And so we're just gonna go through all these one by one. We can take our time. Cool, that's done. So literally I'm just getting the instructions from the Docker site. There's like yeah, that's just it. Cool. And then we got to do that, copy that, put that there. Looking good. Oh, there's two commands. Just want to do one at a time for now, just for now. Cool, I'll do that. That probably did something. And then this is so annoying, eh? Can we put this at the bottom? Yep. And where's my terminal? Yep, we'll put that there. I think that's okay. That looks a bit better. So we got to do this one now. So just put that there, run it. So I don't know what the hell this thing is, but I'm just following the steps. Hopefully it all works out. Okay, I'm not sure what that is, but hopefully it worked. Hopefully it worked. Cool. That's looking good. Now, I think this is the meat of it, right? Let's install Docker. Hopefully it's gonna work. Cool. So this is gonna take some time. Now, while this is installing, I'm gonna tell you about just a cool coding practice. So when you're coding and you don't know how to do something, the best thing to do is just read the documentation and follow the documentation. Honestly, if you kind of get used to it, if you get used to doing that, it can be so quick instead of going straight to a YouTube video, because what happens is you'll end up in tutorial hell. And then I think we're going to try run this thing here, sudo docker run hello world. So do I need to, so that is source bash rc, the little alias I have. Now let's see if we got that. Cool, so that's Docker. Great, now let's, I think to run, we can look at the processes running. Permission denied. That's okay. That's cool. So I don't want to be running like sudo docker ps all the time. I just want to run Docker. So what I'm going to do here is I have some Docker commands right here. This is ChatGPT. This is honestly how I solve problems instead of Googling it for hours. This is what I do. So let's just copy all that. I'll just be like, please fix. See what happens. Permission denied. Option 1, use sudo. I don't want to use sudo. Add a Docker user group. Cool, recommended. So add user to blah, blah, blah. Log out, log back in, verify, option 3, fix. That's probably a bit dangerous, that one, changing permissions like that. Security risk. Yes, I knew it. I knew it was a security risk. Let's do option 2. So let's do this. Next step, new group Docker. Let's hope it worked. Did it do it? Did it do it? Wait, those are all the commands I was running before. Docker ps. Yes, it worked. It worked. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to quit the terminal. I said I'm going to quit the terminal and do another terminal. That up there like this. Yep, just like that. Let's go Docker ps. What happened? So we're back and we have tried some things. Didn't work. That's okay. So I'm just going to screw it and do this. That'll fix it. That'll fix it immediately. So yep, and then we can run Docker ps. That was horrible, but it's okay. It's okay. So that is that. And now in the examples, we are just going to run this thing here. So Docker run sudo Docker run hello world. Let's try that. So unable to find the image. Yep, makes sense. So I guess it's just gonna download the image. Cool, to generate the messages. To try something more ambitious, you can run, no, I don't want to try anything too ambitious, but let's just go Docker image here, and we can just look at all the images we have. Docker image, is it images? Yep. So we have the hello world image. That's amazing, that's awesome. That's awesome. So that is the weird, dirty way of installing Docker.